Alrighty. So here is golf cart, Yamaha golf cart. It's an older one, but it was sitting for about 12 years. I'm gonna be working on it, getting it restored up. There's some rust. I just pressure washed it. I got some shorts on that if you guys want to see them. There's some holes in the seats. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but it's looking like it's in decent shape for how old it is and how long it was sitting. But let me get this lifted up. This thing's kind of a pain in the butt. In case you didn't notice, or in case you didn't know, these golf carts lift up like that. It's huge, the whole thing. Anyway, but I got to replace this gas tank, so I'll be ripping that off here soon. The motor's free, the transmission's free, but the wheels are locked up, so I think the brakes are stuck. I think the brakes are stuck on here, so I'm gonna pull it apart, look at those, but there's some wiring issues too. I found that. Battery's dead. It's from like, let me walk around. It's got this sweet blue mirror, or this blue windshield, I mean. And then this battery's from like 2007 or 2006 or something like that. So I gotta get a new battery for it. Gotta clean it up a little bit more. I just knocked the spiders off of it. I don't like spiders, man. But yeah, if you guys want to see me restore this whole thing, just let me know. We'll be posting videos on it. So just shoot me a follow.